Digital forms of money have steadily saturated the standard cognizance and gotten some forward momentum. Be that as it may, a large number of them neglect to go the distance and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority aim for the sake of entertainment. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2023 as per the Axie Vastness Cost Examination. The base cost of Axie will be around $6.09 in 2023. The most extreme value that the Axie can reach is $14.79. Axie Limitlessness Value Forecast 2025 in view of our Axie Cost Expectation 2025. The cost of the token is anticipated to rise and reach $19.07 toward the finish of 2025. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast 2030 as per our Axie Vastness Coin Cost Expectation 2030. The Axie crypto may exchange the scope of $41.34 to $59.51, and the typical cost of Axie may be around $50.43. What is Axie Limitlessness? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie Endlessness is based on Ethereum organization. There are boundless approaches to procuring Axie. Yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain compensating players for commitment, is completely unfathomable in the realm of Axie Vastness. Axie Vastness biological system is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and construct utilizing digital money. Players can acquire the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT games have acquired gigantic prevalence around the world. Subsequently, this might support the general development of the Axie biological system in ETH, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion period. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out business open doors for the general population and constructs a feel of areas of strength for a cutting the guide to a supportable stage. Clients can possess the local Axie limitlessness of the Axie Commercial Center, gather them, and use them across a steadily extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie Limitlessness Convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The upsides of blockchain go past lines and the constraints of simply the money area, intended to address different bottlenecks in finance. Axie Limitlessness is set to make lives more engaged and speedy. In a special manner, the Axie Endlessness Convention has likewise added to killing the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They additionally came in bundles, be it repetitive expenses, speed, or pretend of mediators. Axie's altogether centers around offering clients the advantage of productive information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and faultless, subsequently legitimizing its worldview job in the computerized ecospace. Axie Boundlessness specialized investigation with a market cap of $807,073,347 and an exchanging volume of $31,366,767. Axie Vastness ongoing cost activity mirrors a fair recuperation. The Axie Boundlessness cost weights around $6.90, with a record-breaking high and low of $165.37 and 12 cents. Separately, in the crypto market, Axie Limitlessness has an ongoing coursing supply of 116,939,046 Axie, and the originators behind Axie Endlessness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie Vastness has a ton of vows to view for its fans according to their specialized examination. As per specialized examination, Axie tokens have been exchanging very negatively. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town, the token remedied enormously and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Notwithstanding, the future cost of Axie Boundlessness is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie Endlessness still productive in 2023? Axie Endlessness universe offers many advantages. Yet the year 2022 was not awesome for the cryptographic money market. The market was incredibly unstable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was additionally negative. The year 2023 has been somewhat better for crypto financial backers as the market has been recuperating. In any case, the recuperation of Axie Limitlessness was extremely present moment, and the costs have again arrived at the lows of 2022. Axie holders might add more tokens to average their property. However, for new financial backers, it is an unsafe chance to enter the market. In any case, since the cost is supposed to rise, merchants who can manage the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie Boundlessness shards. Instability is the greatest casualty of the crypto market. It goes with venture choices and forecasts the most difficult. In any case, our unprejudiced crypto conjecture will make the cycle simpler for you. Will the Axie Limitlessness cost go up? Peruse our Axie limitlessness value expectation to know the eventual fate of the Axe token. As indicated by Wallet Financial Backers Axe cost expectation, it is a terrible long-haul venture as the cost at the year-end might drop to $2.04. Though, as indicated by our Axie boundlessness gauge, the Axe cost could start an upswing and cross $19.07 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise speculation. Axie Vastness Value Forecast 2023. Our Axie Endlessness Crypto Cost Expectation recommends that the Symbolics cost could record a fair recuperation toward the finish of 2023. The Axie Endlessness cost is gauged to have a most extreme worth of $14.79, while the typical cost might be around $10.44. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $6.09. Axe Coin Value Expectation 2024. According to our Axie Vastness Cost Forecast, the Axe coin will proceed the upswing as long as possible, and its greatest worth might reach $17.31, while the base cost might be $12.02. Simultaneously, the Axe token could have a typical cost of around $14.66. It is normal that the Axe financial backers might procure respectable benefits in the year. Axie Vastness Value Forecast 2025. Axie Boundlessness in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $16.16. While the base and most extreme Axie Endlessness cost may be $13.25 and $19.07 individually. In light of our Axie Limitlessness Coin Cost Expectation 2025, Axe Value Expectation 2026. According to the Axie Limitlessness gauge, the Axe coins could arrive at the most extreme worth of $23.44, with a base cost of $16.28. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $19.86. In view of our cost expectations, the Axie Vastness coin's cost ascend for the year may be enormous. Axe Crypto Value Expectation 2027. In light of the specialized examination and Axie Limitlessness forecast, the digital currency might exchange at a typical cost of $25.24. In correlation, the base and greatest costs of Axe are expected to be $20.69 and $29.79. Axie Vastness Coin Value Forecast 2028. As indicated by our Axie Limitlessness expectation, the most extreme worth is expected to be $37.52, while the potential low might be around $26.06. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $31.79 all year long. Axie Limitlessness Coin Forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the possible high of the coin might have reached $46.71, according to our Axie Endlessness Crypto Cost Expectation. Taking a gander at the past exhibition of the Axie Boundlessness, the base and normal costs might be around $32.45 and $39.58. Separately, Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2030. In light of Axe Coin Cost Forecast 2030, the base, greatest, and normal costs are anticipated to be $41.34.